In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change your device's theme. Begin by opening an app called Themes and selecting a perfect theme for you from Home or Categories sections. Then select the download and you can also click on Customize here if you want to, for example, leave your default icons. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by tapping on Devices Settings, hitting Themes over here, and selecting My Account at the bottom right corner. Then select Themes at the top, click on Classic or Limitless, and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!